Last month, 53-year-old EMD Streamliner locomotive CLF1 was reported as being written off by Aurizon Southern Shorthaul Railroad for spare parts, after a level crossing incident in March 2023 left the locomotive seriously damaged and with a bent frame. In this video, we're looking at a few shots we captured of the locomotive before the incident, starting off in Melbourne's west with empty grain train 2 MC5, powering upgrade with CLF1 leading hired locomotive C501 and CLF4 on a New South Wales bound grain train. At the massive Maribyrnong River Bridge north of Sunshine, another empty grain train is spotted, with CLF1 leading C501, 44223 and CLF4 running to New South Wales as 4MC7. Locomotives CLF4, G514 and 4910 were also involved in the level crossing incident with CLF1, with G514 and 4910 transported to SSR's Bendigo Workshops for analysis, with RailPower's CLF4 moved to Goulburn. After dropping wagons and locomotives at the Rock, CLF1 leads CLF4 across the famous Wagga Wagga Viaduct north of the town, bound for Colombo as 3 MC5 with a short rake of hoppers. Powering through Pimpernio on a rare Western Victoria Southern Shorthaul Railroad movement is CLF1 leading C501, 852 and CLP12 on 9793 to Grainflow Dimboola, with CLF1's fate only a month away.